Do you know what all your valuables are worth? No? You're not alone. The average person collects hundreds of potentially valuable things over a lifetime. Why is this a problem? Life can be unpredictable. If something happens, your insurance company may not cover your losses. It's completely up to you to properly document all of your valuables and reappraise every 2 years to ensure that you'll receive full compensation. Also, it will help your heirs realize the full value of their inheritance. We know this process can be tedious, time-consuming, and arduous. That's why we created Artifact. Artifact.ID enables collectors to create an asset portfolio by documenting all of their personal possessions easily and securely. Now tasks like photographing, documenting, cataloging, and evaluating your objects, which can take weeks or even months, can be done in minutes. Securely share your asset portfolio with family, friends, and subject collectors, insurance agents, antique sellers, and art dealers. Protect what you love for the people you love. Visit Artifact.id or download the app on iTunes. It's free.